Hello, I'm Sandeep KULKARNI, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing video for Eco 365. I know this is a water saving faucet or water saving aerator, what they call. And let's see what this has in the box and how to fit this, or how is it this to fit it to our existing faucet. Okay, so let's open the box. I have just received this box. I have purchased Eco 365 online, and let's open it now. So the box looks like a small one, and then it has got a replaceable faucet and some literature inside. Okay, so this is save water, every drop counts. So this is your Eco 365, and I think what this has got is the details about Eco 365 water saving aerators for tap. I think it has got a multiple variety for inner and outer threads, and most importantly, a gift that saves the planet. So by using this, you are actually saving the planet by saving some water. So okay, so this has got a 6-month warranty certificate, which is interesting. It is saying water warrior. And okay, so let us keep this aside. And now what this has got is Eco 365 Dual Flow Switch Aerator. So what this say is the same dual flow aerator you can use in these two modes. And what are these two modes? Let's see here. So yeah, it's here. So it is called as a foam flow for filling and the shower flow for rinsing, and you can just reset it by twisting it. So if we look here, then okay, so these are two. Let's keep this aside. And okay, so this is your Eco 365 switch aerator, and what they give you is an adapter, thread adapter, because see, this is the inner thread, and if you see here, for our faucet, it is either inner or outer thread. So if you fit this adapter here, so your inner thread becomes outer thread, and then you can fit into any faucet which is 20 or 22 or 24 as the case may be. So let's see, I am just like keeping this ready for us to install now. So this is our existing faucet, where you can see the kind of pressure it gives. It's a very high pressure. And now let's see what happens when we install the Eco 365 adapter. So I'm unscrewing this, so I'm just loosening the thread so that my existing adapter, so you need to have this kind of facility to remove the top of this faucet so that you can replace it. So you can see the difference. So it has got a different kind of a net, and if you look at the faucet from Eco 365, this has a different kind of pattern here. So let's see. So now this can directly fit in. So you can see here Eco 365, the genuine product. I'm just like removing my earlier one adapter, and now I'm just putting the aerator here. And it's so easy that less than 30 seconds you just need to make sure you just installing this right. And once it is done, so let us see now what kind of water flow it gives. So as they say, this is a foam flow, wherein this is used for rinsing or filling, you can say filling. And the other flow, which is a shower flow, so for shower flow I just need to twist this, and then you get a shower flow. So that's pretty interesting. For rinsing your utensils, you need this, and then it reduces the water pressure a lot. So they say almost 90% is reduced when you put it to the foam mode. So for foam mode, I just need to twist it, and it is giving me foam mode. Twist it again to give you a shower flow. So there are two modes: foam flow and shower flow. So this is a shower flow to foam flow. Shower, foam, shower, foam. And looks pretty interesting. So looks like it is pretty easy to install, and then it gives us what we intend to, like the save water and save planet. So thank you for seeing this video, and try considering or think of using this. It looks like pretty interesting one. Thank you so much.